Subscribe to Narkasur in Goa and click on the bell icon to never miss any update.
Hey, so this is a little awkward. Things haven't really been working out as well between us, and I think it's time for both of us to kind of just move
What started as a phase has become a growing trend. I guess what I can follow is my self-delusion. Cut me a piece, just a piece of that pie. Don't matter what, I am missing the high. Melting me down with that kerosene smile. Was full of hope, now I'm turning senile. Painted pictures, faulty fictions, contradictions, post-scriptures. One thing I can tell you the rest of your critique. A lamb behind a wall, always cautiously and give me a dime, just a dime of that bag. Who gives a shit, honey, this is a drag. Melting me down with a kerosene smile. Was full of hope, now I'm turning senile.